Ever feel like your banking experience is lacking? Like it's missing something? Maybe it's the fees, or the lack of insights, or just a general feeling that your money isn't working as hard as it could be. We've all been there. And that's why so many people are turning to modern banking solutions like KOHO. KOHO offers a fresh take on managing your finances, and it's become incredibly popular, especially here in Canada. But you might be wondering, what's the real difference between the free and premium versions? Is KOHO Premium actually worth it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down KOHO's premium account options, exploring everything they offer so you can decide if upgrading is the right move for your financial situation. First, let's quickly recap what KOHO is all about. For those unfamiliar, KOHO is a prepaid MasterCard that works in conjunction with a powerful app. It gives you real-time spending insights, budgeting tools, and even cashback rewards. The free version is a fantastic entry point, offering a solid foundation for managing your day-to-day finances. You get a physical and virtual card, instant notifications, and basic spending analytics. It's a great way to control your spending and avoid those pesky overdraft fees. But, as with most things in life, there's always a little extra you can get. And that's where KOHO Extra and KOHO Easy come in. These are KOHO's premium tiers, and they pack some serious punch when it comes to added benefits. So, let's explore these tiers in detail, starting with KOHO Extra. KOHO Extra is the mid-tier option, and it's designed for those who want more from their KOHO experience. It's all about maximizing your rewards and adding extra layers of convenience. One of the biggest draws of KOHO Extra is the enhanced cashback program. While the free version offers cashback on select merchants, Extra significantly expands the earning potential. You get higher cashback percentages on everyday purchases, meaning more money back in your pocket. Think of it as getting paid to shop, and who doesn't love that? Beyond the increased cashback, KOHO Extra also unlocks some valuable perks. One of the most popular is the price matching feature. Imagine finding a product you want to buy, and then discovering it's cheaper somewhere else. With KOHO Extra, they'll actually match that lower price, up to a certain limit. This can be a real game changer, especially for big-ticket items. Another key benefit is the financial coaching. KOHO Extra users get access to personalized financial advice, helping them create budgets, set financial goals, and generally get their money in order. This is a fantastic resource, especially if you're feeling a little lost when it comes to personal finance. Then there's the phone support. While free users have access to support through email and chat, extra users get priority phone support. This can be incredibly helpful when you need immediate assistance. Now, let's talk about the top tier, KOHO Easy. This is the ultimate KOHO experience, offering all the benefits of Extra, plus a few more premium features. KOHO Easy is designed for those who want the absolute best that KOHO has to offer. With KOHO Easy, you get everything we discussed with Extra, the enhanced cashback, the price matching, the financial coaching, and the priority phone support. But Easy takes it a step further. One of the biggest advantages of Easy is the even higher cashback rates. You'll earn even more cashback on your purchases, maximizing your rewards potential. Another exclusive feature of Easy is the no FX fees. If you travel internationally or make purchases in foreign currencies, you know how annoying those foreign exchange fees can be. They can really eat into your budget. But with KOHO Easy, those fees are waived. This is a huge benefit for frequent travelers or anyone who shops online from international retailers. So, how do you decide which KOHO plan is right for you? It really comes down to your individual needs and spending habits. If you're just starting out with budgeting and want a simple way to track your spending, the free version of KOHO is a great place to begin. It offers a solid foundation and lets you experience the core benefits of the platform. If you're looking to maximize your rewards and want access to extra perks like price matching and financial coaching, KOHO Extra is definitely worth considering. The increased cashback alone can often offset the monthly fee. And if you're a frequent traveler, shop internationally, or simply want the absolute best KOHO experience, then KOHO Easy is the way to go. The no FX fees and the highest cashback rates make it a premium option for a reason. Now, let's talk about the cost. Obviously, the free version of KOHO is, well, free. KOHO Extra has a monthly fee, and KOHO Easy also has its own fee. It's important to weigh these costs against the benefits you'll receive. Consider how much you spend, how often you travel, and whether the extra features align with your financial goals. KOHO also offers annual subscriptions for both Extra and Easy, which usually come with a discount. It's definitely worth checking those out if you plan on using the premium features long term. One thing to keep in mind is that KOHO is constantly evolving. They're always adding new features and improving their existing ones. So, it's a good idea to check their website or app for the most up-to-date information on pricing and benefits. Ultimately, the best KOHO plan for you depends on your individual circumstances. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Take some time to consider your needs, weigh the pros and cons of each tier, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.